Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the power button. After you wake up the screen on your watch, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the connections option and tap on it. Here select the Wi-Fi option, and after you select the Wi-Fi option, you should see the Wi-Fi menu. And right here, you should see the network that you're connected to. Let's say you want to disconnect from it. To do it, tap on it, then scroll down and tap on forget button to forget it and disconnect from it. If you want to disconnect from the different network, for example, you have saved networks right here and you want to disconnect from a different one, you can tap on it to connect to it quickly. And once you connect to it, you can tap on it right here, scroll down, tap on forget, and it will be disconnected. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the power button to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.